nervous because I am. This clutch is weird. The air assist clutch or whatever. I haven't driven one of these clutches in like 4 or 5 years. Yeah, the air assisted clutch is a strange feeling, but I'll get used to it.
The truck you have now is not assisted?
Mm-mm. It doesn't matter what truck you drive, like when you change trucks, you have to get used to that truck. Even if the trucks are identical, every truck drives a little bit different. They all have their own personality. And so now I'm like nervous to pull out in front of people because not like I don't drive truck on camera ever, but also there's everyone around me watching, and the truck's brand new and it has 90 miles on it.